Good morning, friends. We are solving UPSC Homeopathy MO paper 2016. So, question number 76. Rheumatism followed by check diarrhea is found in A. Abrotenum, B. Rustock, C. Colchicum, D. Actia spicata. The right answer is A. Abrotenum. Question number 77. Afraid of sharp pointed things, pin, needle, etc. is one of the characteristic of A. Sulfur, B. Spongia, C. Staphysaria, D. Spigelia. The right answer is D. Spigelia. Question number 78. Asthma of Kalikar patient is relieved by A. Leaning forward, B. Rocking, C. Sitting up, D. Stretching back. The right answer is B. Rocking. Question number 79. Pulses low, soft, weak, irregular, intermittent are the characteristic of which of the following? 1. Veratrum wild, 2. Tabacum, 3. Digitalis. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The right answer is option D, where all are correct. 1, 2, 3, all right. Question number 80. Most appropriate remedy for piles with much itching is A. Aloes, B. Bromium, C. Petroselinum, D. Clematis. The right answer is C. Petroselinum. Question number 81. Medicine act unconditionally whereas disease occur only conditionally upon human health. What is the condition called? A. Vital force, B. Susceptibility, C. Similarity, D. Dissimilarity. The right answer is B. Susceptibility. Question number 82. What happens when two dissimilar diseases occur in a human body? The later one is stronger than the already existing one. The right answer is C. Suspension, while the wrong one are A. Cure, B. Palliation, and D. Repulsion. These all are wrong, while option C. Suspension is right. Question number 83. The characteristic smell of the discharge in psychotic miasm is A. Fetid, B. Sweetish, C. Putrid, D. Fish brine smell. The right answer is D. Fish brine smell. Question number 84. Inappropriately named chronic diseases are caused by A. Avoidable noxious influences, B. Acute miasm, C. Sora, D. Isopathy. The right answer is A. Avoidable noxious influences. 85 question. Alternating action of drug is a kind of A. Primary action, B. Secondary counteraction, C. Confused action, D. Curative action. The answer is evident from the options given below. The right answer is A. Primary action. Question number 86. Fragmenta de verbis medicamentorium positivus contain A. Record of symptoms of disease, B. Record of symptoms of drug while proving, C. Record of symptoms of drug of chronic disease, D. Record of drug proving. The right answer is B. Record of symptoms of drug while proving. 87th question. Mental traumatism, mental effect from injuries to head, chronic brain effects of blows and fall are the characteristic of A. Arnica, B. Ruta, C. Hamamelis, D. Natrum sulf. The right answer is D. Natrum sulf. Question number 88. The skin symptoms rough, crack, fissures, worse during winter, better in summer are the characteristic of B. Petroleum is the right answer. Question number 89. Pulse is abnormally rapid out of all proportion to body temperature are the characteristic of A. Pyrogenum, B. Soranum, C. Syphilinum, D. Morbillinum. The right answer is A. Pyrogenum. 90th question. Menses too early, too profuse, too protracted, partly fluid, partly clotted, flow in paroxysm with labor-like pain from sacrum to pubis. The remedy is A. Simsifuga, B. Sulfur, C. Sabina, D. Belladonna. The right answer is C. Sabina. 91 question. A mischievous child is a symptom of which one of the following miasm? A. Psoric, B. Psychotic, C. Syphilitic, D. Acute. The right answer is B. Psychotic, while psoric, syphilitic, acute miasm are the wrong options given. Question number 92. Which of the following are fixed miasm? 1. Smallpox, 2. Measles, 3. Whooping cough. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The right answer is option D. 1, 2, 3. All are correct. Question number 93. Prima causa morbi means A. Difficult to cure, B. Easily curable, C. Primary manifestation of disease, D. Primary cause of disease. The right answer is option D. Question number 94. Regarding number of strokes to be given for preparing each potency by succession, how many strokes does Dr. Hahnemann advocate in the 5th edition of Organelle of Medicine? A. 10, B. 100, C. 2, D. 5. The right answer is C. 2. 95. Prolonged administration of partially selected medicine repeatedly may develop a disease known as A. Drug disease only, B. Iatrogenic disease only, C. Drug disease as well as iatrogenic disease, D. Neither drug disease nor iatrogenic disease. The right answer is C. Drug disease as well as iatrogenic disease. 96. In the sixth edition of Organ of Medicine, Dr. Hahnemann wrote in favor of external application in A. Aphorism 284 only, aphorism 285 only, C. Aphorism 284 and aphorism 285, D. Aphorism 286 and aphorism 287. The right answer is option C. 97th question. In the fifth edition of Organ of Medicine, we see Dr. Hahnemann argument against the external application, that is a disadvantage of external application from. The right answer is option A. Aphorism 196 to aphorism 203. Question number 98. Which of the following items are usually sterilized by autoclaving? 1. Nutrient broth. 2. Peptone water. 3. Buffered glycerol saline. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The right answer is option D, where 1, 2, 3 all are correct. Question number 99. Malignant tertian malaria, cerebral malaria is caused by A. Plasmodium vivax, B. Plasmodium ovale, C. Plasmodium falciparum, D. Plasmodium malariae. The right answer is option C. Plasmodium falciparum. Question number 100. The result of transfusion with mismatched or incompatible blood group mismatch causes transmission of hepatitis, AIDS, agglutination of red cell hemolysis, D. Malaria. C is right. Thanks for watching.